Hello everybody, if you want to see how to get these mini two-strand twists with extensions, then stay tuned. I have you covered. So the first thing you want to do is get your hair all clean, shampooed, and conditioner. This is her hair. Her hair is pretty much natural, but she do have some straight ends in the front of her hair, but that's fine. She can still get these two-strand twists. This is the hair that I'm using, and it is in let me think, 16 inches, and I'm just separating the hair. And you just want to separate the hair in the thickness of how thick you want your mini two-strand twist, or whatever size two-strand twist that you would like. So right now that's all I'm doing. So after that, you just want to section off the amount of hair you want to work with, and I'm starting with the back of her hair, and then I got the front two section off as well, so I can do one side at a time. So I'm just adding some shine and jam to the parting, and you just want to apply that to the parting like I'm doing right here. And right now I am just getting some of that hair out the way so I can start on each individual two-strand twist. So the first thing you want to do is get the natural hair, and you want to get the twist hair as well. And then you want to make 3 strands. With those 3 strands, one being your natural hair, you're going to start box braiding the hair about, I would say, about 3 or 4 times down, just to make sure that it is secure at the root. Once that is done and you feel that it is secure, you just want to split your natural hair off into 2 sections with the twist hair itself. Add a little shine and jam to the hair, and you just want to start twisting the hair going downward. And yeah, you just kind of twist. Well, I kind of twist like pretty snugly as I have the natural hair, but once I get to the bottom part, I kind of twist a little looser because we wanted more full look. So that's what we did, and I'm just kind of showing you again how you do that. You just create 3 sections, one being your natural hair, and then the other 2 strands of hair being the spring twist that we're using. So you just want to again braid down, and then you want to, once you braid down about 3 or 4 times, you just want to split the hair off in 2 sections and start to two-strand twist. So this is how they are looking. She wanted black in the back, and then in the front we're going to put the pink. So I'm just showing you how that looks. So we're just going to jump right into the pink, and I'll be basically showing you the same thing. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, this is how the hair should be looking once the back is completed. It's looking so pretty, and I'll be giving you a close-up so you can see all the details as well. Now after that, we're just gonna jump right into the next part. On the side of her hair, she wanted a heart, and I didn't know she wanted me to like stitch braid it. So instead of that, I just kind of created the heart shape and just did some single two strand twists. So you'll just see me doing that, and it actually turned out cute. And once I get done with that, I will also be showing you and giving you a close up of how that's looking as well. Okay, after creating the heart, I am just going to part the hair going straight across, and all of the two string twists in the front of her head will be just regular box braids and two string twists. So it'll be just regular, no more heart or arched shape parting. It'll just be the regular box parting to complete this style. And as I said before, once that side is completed, I'm going to show you a close-up of how that heart look embedded as we parted the little arches that we did earlier. So let me move the hair out the way so you can see it up close. There you go, right there. So yeah, so a little cute detail. So after that, she just sat under the dryer, and this is the finished look. Oh yeah, we added some mousse too as well. Hope you had a great, blessed day.